Let's start Lesson 3 by reviewing the sounds from Lesson 2. O, f, I, o, f, I. Here are our new sounds. T, 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 d, 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 d. See if you can say the sounds before I do. T, d, t, d, d, t, d, t. Let's review the sounds from Lesson 1. S, n, a, s, n, a. Let's read some words. First, we will say the sounds slowly, then we will say them fast. And, t, and, tan, at, fat, and land, in, tin, it, fit, at, sat, add, sad, dim, Here's a test. If you get most of these correct, then you are ready for Lesson 4. If it is still hard for you, then repeat Lesson 3 until you can get most of these sounds before I do. T, d, n, s, o, f, a, I, t, n, d, f, s, o, I, a. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. And, add, fad, id, lid, add, tad, at, rat, id, rid, in, din, it, fit, dim. We're going to try reading some pyramids. We will start with a one-sentence word, then we will slowly add words. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. An, man. Man, ran. Man, ran. Sad, sad. Man, man, ran, ran. Sad man ran. Add, dad. Sad, add. Sad dad. Sad dad ran. Sad dad ran. Add, dad. Add, sat. Dad sat. Add, dad, and sat. Dad and Tim sat. Let's practice with some nonsense words. These are fake words. They are not real words, so don't guess. Say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. Is, dis. Ass, tas. Add, nad. Id, mid. It, mit. Id, fid. Ass, tas. At, dat. It, dit. If these fake words are hard for you, please go back and review the sounds that are giving you trouble.